In my observation of patients who have IBS, whether it's with diarrhea or with constipation, all of them seem to have the same sort of starting point, which is they don't seem to break down their food properly. Either they're not chewing this food properly, or it's highly processed food with a lot of chemicals in it. This unbroken down food, instead of it being in tiny little molecules that your body can absorb, it's now big chunks that bacteria can ferment, for lack of better words. It's going to be gas, it's going to be acid, it's going to be toxins, and basically allow your intestines to function as a sewer. So that's where the Zive 7 comes in. Now, we have an enzyme blend in Zive 7 that has a protein enzyme, a fat breaking down enzyme, and a sugar breaking down enzyme. And it actually has multiple types. There's a prebiotic in there called beetroot fiber. There's magnesium in Zive 7, which also helps this process. And then, of course, the biotope 7, these are good bacteria. So Zive 7 is going to allow an improvement to those things.